Right guys, I've got my LG phone and my Huawei. They're practically the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out SD card out of this one first of all. So this is the Huawei. This comes in the box. I'm just going to use that. So turn it around, push it in, and get my SD card out. So this one's got a micro SD, 64 gig, and the SIM card. So I'm just going to take the SIM. Okay, let's take that out. Get my LG, so my Huawei, sorry. And I've already taken this out again. Just popped it through. It's come out. And I'm going to put this into the slot, like so. There we go. And I'm just going to put this into the phone. There we go. That's in now. Now this phone is telling me to get started. So let's just back button on this one. Get the power up. Go behind that. So I've got the two phones on. And what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to click on English on this one. Go next. Click on that. Go to Android device. Keep on. And it's going to ask me for a QR. I think what it's going to do is generate a QR code. And I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to go to this phone. And I've downloaded Phone Clone. So I'm just going to click on that. And it's already set up. And I'm just going to scan the QR code on this phone. And what it'll do is it'll connect the two phones, as you can see. So it's now those two phones are connecting. The other one says has been turned off. But okay. And it should be connecting. Oops, is it doing it? No, so let's cancel that. Let's try it again. So I'm going to go Android, keep on, go back to this phone, disable phone. There's my QR code. Scan the QR code. Okay, so now that is, I think that's connected. So I'm going to click on that. No, that's fine. So I think those two things are connected now, and the data should be transferring over. Right guys, it is actually it's now connected, so you can see that one says it's connected. So I'm just going to click on transfer. It's going to ask me what do I want to transfer. So I'm going to photos, music, videos. I'm going to transfer everything on this phone. So transfer, and now what that's doing is now it's transferring all the data from this phone to this phone. It might take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this carry on. So you can see all the data is transferring from this phone now to this phone. So I'm just going to let this carry on, and I will see how we get on. Right, it's been a while now. It's 84% transfer. And you can see that majority of this stuff is now transferring to this Huawei P30 phone from this LG phone. On this phone, you can see that all that stuff there is definitely going to this Huawei phone. So we're at 91%. That's taken me literally about 10 minutes to do. So it doesn't take that long. I would have thought the apps would have taken long. There's 26 apps on here. So this is not taking as long as I thought it might take. Yeah, just to let you know, I've also used oh, there we go, sent. So that's saying sent, and this one is just slowly sort of kind of going through. So once it's done, we'll see what it looks like. Okay, this one says it's now finished, so I'm just going to click on finish. I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi, so I might need a Wi-Fi signal, which I can put my password on. I'm just going to skip that for now, and it's updating everything on the phone. It's connected. It's just taking a few seconds, and I think I'm ready to go. Gone through some settings on here. I'm just going to click on finish, and I think what's happening now is it's sort of loading my phone with all the sort of things that I've just done to it, to hopefully sort of it should be working sort of fluently. And I've taken everything off that one and putting it onto this one. There we go. So it's gone to by the looks of it, to popular apps. It's going to go later. I don't really want all this, to tell you the truth. And there we go. So, yeah, all the apps are on there, and I've downloaded all the apps. As you can see, I've transferred all the files from my LG to this phone using the app that I downloaded. Phone Clone it was called, I think. So I've just downloaded that on the LG and gone through the steps on this phone, and now this is ready to go. So it's quite straightforward, really, nothing too difficult. Like I said, Huawei is quite a nice premium phone to take. One of the reasons why I bought it was really for the camera, because the camera's quite decent on this. It's got a triple lens, Leica lens, so obviously we know Leica's a pretty decent brand. So that's one of the main reasons why I bought it. So yeah, phone's now ready to go. I've got it at the back. So this is just a little video showcasing getting out of the box from Amazon, setting it up, starting it up, using Phone Clone, going through the steps on the phone, and now I'm back to normal, getting to use. The battery life was pretty decent as well. Charged within 40 minutes, full charge. Yeah, so I'm ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.